Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have item inside the box in here from Harvey Norman. So let's see what it is. Ta-da! So it is DJI. This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, guys. This is standard package, guys. I buy the standard one because I have the Mini 4 Pro battery and charger, so I don't need to buy much. So I only need to buy the standard one, which is a little bit cheaper because I have this. I have my Mini 4 Pro battery and charger. So let's check it. Still have full charge, guys. So this I have to test this, guys, if this is compatible with the Mini 5 Pro. So I've seen in the reviews in YouTube that it is compatible. That is why I buy only that one. So first thing first, we're gonna open this. So go straight away like that, guys. I think it's only there. So it's brand new. I'm gonna put this thing off in here like that. So that's so good. This in the trash. No trash in here. So there. It's a bit, guys, like that. And then, so this Mini 5 Pro, the box, guys, is so small. Look, it's like, look, my palm. It's like this big. It's so small. It's tiny box. So this box is for Mini 5 Pro, is a standard one, and then it's stated here that they only have the drone, one battery, remote, cable to charge the remote, and cable for all type C, and then there's a spare propeller, good, and then user manual. So I'm gonna open it now like that. Wow, so nice. So like that. So we're gonna take this here. Oh. Oh, I think this is the remote, guys, and that's the drone. Look. So we're gonna go first the remote. Let's see the remote first, guys. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's here, guys, look. So when you open the remote, there's a type C to type C cable, and then extra props, so left and right. No, it's A and B, so clockwise, counterclockwise, I think. Yeah, it's different. So just only one, and then we get lightning cable and type C, good for iPhone, but the later iPhone now is all Type-C now. So open this. So it's nothing. So this is the user manual. I like the stickers, guys. Good. It's a good one. And then the remote. So this is the RCN1 remote, guys. I'm gonna put that in here aside. So good. Same with my Neo 2. So pop this up in here. So good. And then there's already the Type-C cable here, guys. Type-C to Type-C cable. Look. So I'm gonna put it back for a moment. Then still have two bars for the remote. So this is the joystick here. So including the standard package, guys, is the RCN1, not the RC2, not the RC2 remote. I like also this remote because I can do all my phones, Androids or the iPhone, do screen record like that, whatever. It's good. Yeah, it's okay. See, nice. And then this one. So that's good, guys, in there. So what else do we got here in the box? Oh. So here it comes. Cat. So I think it's no more, guys. I think that's it. So that's all. So this is the drone. Look, guys. Mini 5 Pro. Brand new Mini 5 Pro, guys. So we're gonna get this first. Like that. Wow, I like this cover, guys. Covers everything. That's it. Put this. Take this off. Wow. Oh, remember, there's a phone here. So yeah, I better take this phone, guys. So let's open up. Slow battery, but this one will pop up straight away, guys. It will turn on automatically, so we're gonna open space for a while, so like that. Oh, look guys, so I think we're done the unboxing for our Mini 5 Pro, guys, standard package. Look, so can we connect here? Press, long press. Let's see, it will go solid. Let's see, guys, if this will spin. Let's try to spin. Just a bit spin, guys. No. So that's it, guys, because it's a low battery. Yeah, see, low battery, but it's connected. Look. And then for the next video, guys, I'm gonna try to insert this battery here. Mini 4 battery. It is okay, but I think it's okay, guys. I've seen in the YouTube reviews that this battery will goes on in here. So later on I gonna put, not now because I gonna program everything here before that one, and then we also gonna try to charge that battery. Maybe for a while I'm gonna go for the wires of this before in that charger. Guys, that's all for the unboxing of our DJI Mini 5 Pro standard package. So that's all in here. We got extra one direction for the props, Type-C lightning cable, charging cable, and then protector for the gimbal, and then user manual. So that's it, guys. So we're good to go now. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.